news coming in now. BJP MLA from Andheri West, Amit Satam, has now sought a police probe into the death of Sushant's ex-manager, Disha Salian. Satam has also asked the police to investigate from whether Sushant was threatened or scared after Disha Salian, his manager's death. He's raised questions on Sushant's body being taken to the Cooper Hospital in Andheri and not to the Baba Hospital in Bandra, which is closer from Sushant's residence. He's also asked for a re-investigation of Sushant's reserved viscera. So this is a BJP MLA from Andheri West who's now raised questions.
Written to the DCP Zone 9, who is the head of investigation in this particular matter, asking him a few questions, whether the reasons of the death of Disha Salian were probed, whether there was a party at Disha in which Disha Salian and some others had participated, whether Sushant Singh Rajput was threatened after the death of Disha Salian, whether there was a party at Sushant's place on 13th of June, that is one night before he died, who all were a part of that party. So I think the investigation has to go in this particular direction, so that a free and investigation takes place and the truth is revealed.
More breaking news coming in now. Mumbai's Malwani police station officials have now issued a clarification on the issue of having deleted the folder containing information on Disha Salian's death. The Mumbai police claims that no files related to Disha Salian's case has been deleted, and the police say they have everything on record. All documents, they say, are available with them. They have gone on to say that the case is under investigation. Several statements have been taken, and the family has given no complaint against anyone. Mustafa Sheikh live with me. Mustafa, what is this confusion over a folder being deleted on the case of Disha Salian? You have a BJP MLA coming out and saying the police should investigate the Disha Salian death case as well. What's going on?
Well, at this point of time, all we have is contradictory statements. For example, MLA Amit Satam is asking if there was a party. On the other hand, Neeraj Singh, who is the cook of Sushant Singh, he was there with the actor till his last moment, has denied that there was any party which had taken place on that particular night. The other example is of the case of Disha Salian, where there were claims being made that the file pertaining to a case has been deleted, and now Malwani police station of Malad in Mumbai are saying that the file has not been deleted, it's there. So what we have currently, Shiv, is contradictory statements, which is leading to more and more confusion, and it might probably be also because of two state police not getting along together on one investigation. So there can be multiple reasons given the high stakes in this case. We can only hope that some clarity, some facts will come out in this case, and so that we also can convey to our viewers actually what investigations are happening and what clarity at this point of time we have on Sushant's case. Back to you.
Okay, thanks very much for that. Well, a day after